In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix a cabinet door that won't stay closed. Like that one. Welcome back to Express.com. My name is Jason and I am here to help. Now, first things first, make sure that there is nothing in the way. Actually, that wasn't even part of the 3. So let's start with number 1. Take a close look at your hinge and see if there's any way to adjust it. Now, as you can see, this hinge here is adjustable. We have adjustments here, here, and even inside the hinge there. Now, if you do have adjustment screws on your cabinet hinge, be sure to check the link in the description. I have a video that will tell you how to adjust these hinges, and it's super easy. Now, if your hinge does not have any adjustment capabilities and you close your door and it just doesn't want to close all the way or stay completely closed, 2 words: magnetic catch. That's right, you can install these magnetic catches inside of your cabinet. They're really inexpensive, and depending on your door, might be just the perfect solution. Now for your final option, say this door just will not stay closed even with magnetic catches, and you could just tell there's just too much pressure keeping it open. Most likely your hinge is done with. Kaplooey. Now, if you have found that your hinge is just unfixable, it's an old hinge, it's covered in all kinds of nastiness, and you could just tell it needs to be upgraded, not to worry. Here at Express.com, we offer free hinge matching assistance, all on our website. Simply fill out the form, and just like that, we will have a replacement match for your existing cabinet hinges. And when you get there, you're just gonna have to look at your hinge, and there's usually some kind of number or marking. Like as you see here, there is a G. This is a grass hinge. Now you will just fill out all that information on the website, hit submit, and we will get back to you with the exact hinge that will work in your cabinet. Now I have a link in the description as well that will send you right over to that hinge matching service. Now be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Maybe share it to some friends. See you next time.